Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Atossa Genetics INC, and this stock is well within the range or the trend, and this trend is giving an indication where the stock could probably move towards the upper end of the range again. So let us discuss about the price chart of Atossa Genetics INC. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now there are three very important levels which you need to look at. They are 0.97 because the stock has started taking support at or above 0.97, and you have two most important levels on the downside which one must not cross. So you have 0.82 and you have 0.78. So they are the two most important levels on the downside which one must not cross. So please do not go below these two levels. Now there is a condition that the stock may falls back to 0.82 and 0.78 as well. Okay, because in the last three instances it happened. Either it touched 0.82 or 0.78. So there is a probability for that as well. If that happens, fine. If that does not happen, that's also fine, because the difference is not so much. But what's important here is the stock must not fall below 0.78. Now, if the stock continues to sustain above either 0.97 or above the range which is in between 0.82 and 0.78, we have our trend alive, in which case the targets that we are going to look at will be something like this. So we have a range, we have a primary range, and it is in between 1.6 and $2. So these are going to be our next two targets as far as the range is concerned. Beyond 2.02 or let's say 2.1, we have 3.23 and we have $5, and then the big target or the upper end of the range, which is 7.6. So this is what we are looking at as far as the trend or the range is concerned. You can see very sharp price action happening time and time again, and this is very much there in front of us for the last 3 or 4 years, that the stock tested the lower end of the range. It can go and it will go towards the upper end of the range and then falls again. So this kind of trend should not be ignored if you want to look for some trading swing. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for